What's up guys, and welcome to this short video. Here I will share with you how to use the Seat Deformer tool. So I have this seat right now, the brown part, but I'm not happy with it. I want to use another seat. So I import the new seat file, and you can see it's far away. So first thing to do is I want to reposition the new seat. So first I want to rotate it around the Z-axis. I pick the position and I pick like somewhere here in the center of the new seat, then 90 degrees in the Z direction, select by part, then rotate, then accept. Here you select no, because this part inertia relates to the dummy. We did not rotate the dummy, we rotated only the seat. So we select no just now. Now I want to move the seat to I want to move the seat near the dummy. So first I have to measure the distance from the old seat to the new seat. So I pick this point here, and I pick this point here. Then I have here the distance in XYZ. So I copy that. Then I go to transform and translate in XYZ. I paste what I copied just now. Okay, I did not copy the X. Need to scroll up, click down there. This window will pop up, then select all of them, XYZ. Then you paste here, you remove the dx, dy, dz, you put the comma between the numbers, and then click by part, and you translate negative here. Then you can see now the two seats are overlapping. That's fine. So now accept. Next I go to element edit. I delete the old seat. I delete the old seat, delete by part, and then accept. Now I go to I delete the lower plate also, I don't need that. Now I want to move and copy. So I click copy. So I click on move. Then click on the part list. I have the seat here, the seat part. Then select by part, select the new seat, and then apply. Now it will convert to the same part as the old seat that we deleted before. Now I just adjust the position. First I want to make it transparent. Okay, now I can see things, can control the transparency here. Now I move in one direction, one by one. First I move in Z. Click by part, then go down. Okay, I zoom in. I think okay, this looks fine. Okay, should be fine. Now I accept. Okay, I go to move and copy again. Now I make a copy of this, because I want to show you how to use the dummy, how to use the deform Seat Deformer 2 times. So I need to make a 2 copy of this. So now we have 2 parts which are identical. So first I take this green one, then I go to here and I select here the Seat Deformer. So the direction should be -Z, and click the dummy parts that will define the deforming. And then I click on the seat that will need to be deformed. I click on the level 1 on the seat, and I click on this one, reference geometry, apply, then accept. Now if I show only the seat, it's down here. Okay, now you can see here we have some elements are not very nice. You can see here it's very sharp, and there also. This is because the dummy itself has some spacing. So what to do? So what to do? We need to remove this spacing, and to do that, we'll go here. I will go element tools, and then add element, then create. And here I need to create shell elements which will cover all the gaps between the dummy parts. So click on 4 nodes and continue doing that. Need to rotate and see from below. You can see the dummy butt. There you have 3 nodes only, so click there, try only, and then you continue, unclick on that, then continue doing the same thing. Now we finished from the left thigh. Now we go to the right one. Do the same thing. You have 4 nodes. So click 4. Here in the middle you have 3 nodes. So click on that. Click on that first. So I made a mistake. I select the wrong node. Again, 1, 2, 3. Now again 1, 2, 3. Okay, now it's good. Unclick on that, and then again, and we are done with the thighs. Now the thigh and the knee part. So we proceed with the same. Thing. Okay, done. Now is the last leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, almost there. Okay, this is the last one. Okay, now done. Accept. Alright, now we show the seat. Remember this seat we did not deform yet. We deform another one, the one that has a different color. So we need to go to the Seat Deformer. First I want to make it transparent. See, it's not deformed yet. So again I go here and I click on the Seat Deformer. Okay, click on the dummy parts, click on the pelvis, the connecting parts that we did, and click on the thighs. Okay, again I click on the pelvis, click on the connecting shell part that we did, and click on the other thigh parts. Now select the seat, again select the seat and then apply, wait for it to load, then accept. Now if you see, the seat is very nice. And if we show only the new seat, you can see here there is no sharp edges like before. So here you can see the trace of the dummy's butt on the seat. So this is the nice part, and this is the not so nice part, seat part. You can see that very sharp things will hurt the dummy, and we don't want that. So we just keep this and delete the other seats. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much, and see you next time.